Shabu shabu is a healthy hot pot coming along with the different types of vegetables, sliced meat, and noodles. It originated from Japan, but today we'll introduce Korean-style hot pot. When you order this dish at a restaurant, it is served like this. It looks very fancy, so some of you might think it'll be very difficult to make it at home, but it's very easy. If you're thinking of having a party, just try cooking.
So our ingredients are all ready right here. We have Chinese cabbage, bok choy. We have two types of mushroom, but the type of bosat is not quite fixed, so you can choose any mushrooms you like, okay? And we have sliced beef. We have minari. This minari is a water parsley. It has a strong but refreshing scent like coriander, and it is really good when you have it with meat. Most Korean shabu shabu restaurant doesn't serve minari, but today I'm gonna use this for today's dish. If you have some vegetables you like, you can put anything you want. We are going to use a broth, and it is made of anchovy. Today I used this anchovy stock, and it is packed with this package, and if you open it, there's a tea bag, and there's grinded anchovy in this tea bag. So you can just put it in the water and then boil it about 15 or 20 minutes. Then you can have broth like this. In order to boost the flavor, what I use is this beef stock. So this is I usually put this beef stock together with this anchovy broth, and you should put pepper and also salt, and that's it. Okay. And this dish goes with two different sauces. I usually buy Thailand style sooty sauce. You can buy it at a supermarket, or you can use sriracha or chili sauce. It's all up to you. But if you don't like spiciness, then you can make your own sauce with soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and wasabi or mustard.
손 떨려.
Let's cook vegetables and meat in a broth first. You should soak them in a broth and cook it fast. That's right. Then let's dig it. Yay!
손을 사용하면 안 될 것 같으니까. 그치, 그렇게 하고. 응. 그다음에 뜨거 조심. 냉동치고 고기 약간 좀 실하지 않아? 좀 도톰해. 하고 맛있다. 미나리랑 먹어 맛있어.
If you have eaten all vegetables and meat, then you can put noodles, kalguksu, in this broth.
What if they don't have kalguksu?
You can put ramen instead of kalguksu, or if you have egg noodle is perfect for this shabu shabu. Even if you have finished all the noodles, still you feel something is missing, then you can make porridge out of this sticky leftover soup.
역시 한국 사람은 밥을 먹어야죠.
That's right!